Hello. Now this is a question where it says that FeOH twice is a diacidic base, has Kb1 value of 10 raised to power minus 4 and Kb2 value of 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. The question says what is the concentration of FeOH twice in 0.1 molar FeNO3 solutions. So first of all, FeNO3 is a soluble salt. It is going to completely ionize and give us what? Fe2 plus and twice NO3 minus. And the concentration of this would be this, right? Now what happens is, now this because this reaction is happening because of hydrolysis, so we will have to understand at what stage hydrolysis is going to give us this FeOH twice concentration. So let's see the solution of this question. So what is given to us? FeOH twice giving us FeOH plus OH minus, that is Kb1, and the second dissociation constant is this. FeNO3, as I have said, is a soluble salt, give rise to 0.1 molar Fe2 plus and this. And this salt is getting hydrolyzed, it's interacting with water. NO3 is a constituent, is an anion of a very strong electrolyte HNO3, so it's not going to establish an equilibrium with H plus, so that can be neglected from both the sides of the reaction because it does not hydrolyze. So concentration, let us say this is 0.1, which is C minus X gives us X and X. Now this will further hydrolyze because it's a weak electrolyte, so X out of X, Y gets hydrolyzed, so we have Y and Y formation. So H, because it was formed from the previous equation also, it becomes X plus Y, and this is also X plus Y. Now clearly the values are very less. I mean, Kb2 value is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 and Kb1 value is 10 raised to power minus 4. So we can assume that Y is extremely less than X. So we are supposed to find the concentration of FeOH twice. So we have to understand at what stage is hydrolysis giving us this ion. So not at this stage, but we can see it is at this stage we get the concentration of FeOH twice, right? What would have been the hydrolysis of the first? That would have been KH1, that will be equal to Kw upon Kb2. For this reaction, this is Kw upon Kb1. We should understand that reverse of neutralization is hydrolysis, right? So for this we have to find what is the value of Y, because that is the concentration of FeOH twice. So for second equation, if we have to write the equation, so we can say this is KH2, that is equal to Kw upon Kb1, that is equal to Y into Y plus X upon X minus Y. Since Y is very much less than equal to X, so X plus Y and X minus Y, both of them are equal to X, they can be safely cancelled. Hence Y comes out to be Kw upon Kb1, which is 10 raised to power minus 10. So answer for this question is C. Right? Thank you.